Now, how can you make green screen videos with the iPad? Let's get started. So, if you're new to the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe to it and you're not going to miss anything important. So, green screen, or the whole point of this, is to remove the background, to get rid of the green color and only have like a cutout of the video. So, this can actually be used and utilized on the iPad, and the way I like to use it is through a CapCut video editor, which for the most part is free, so you can use it like that. You're gonna start a project, import your footage, and then you can click on the plus icon and bring in something with a green screen on it, right? So whatever it might be, you can import it like that. And in order to utilize it properly, we're gonna select the clip, then tap on overlay at the bottom right here. So we're gonna place it on the top of the other clips, like that. And then, since we still have it selected, I want you to find the remove background option. So it says remove BG. You can tap on it. Again, plenty of options, but I want you to tap on a chroma key, which lets you specifically select a color that is supposed to be removed from that clip. So naturally, just point it at the green color at the brightest point to make sure that the green color gets removed, leaving you with just the subject. So that's how you can separate the background from the foreground. And since we used the overlay feature, we now have it on the top of our existing clip. And this is where the magic happens, right? Like, you can use it to create some really nice effects and illusions and whatnot. And this is the best way to utilize it. So yeah, that's how I like to do this. Let me know specifically in the comments below if you wanted to do something else, or if you need some other assistance, some questions you might have. Share it below in the comments. Subscribe for tutorials like this, and I get to see you later in the future ones as well.